everyone. My name is Meenakshi. I am working as a Urdu developer at iNom ERP. Today I am going to explain my module University Dashboard. University Dashboard is a centralized executive dashboard that provides a complete real-time overview of university admission, students, fees, academic staff, and performance analytics in one place. Basically, the module acts as a management dashboard for a university. Instead of opening multiple menus and report, administrator can monitor the entire university from a single screen. It collects live information from different university management module and present it using KPI cards, charts, graph, and it search and filters. Now, on my screen, you can see different type of KPI cards, charts, graph, search, and filters are visible on my screen. In dashboard hero section, at the top of the dashboard, you can see you can user can see university dashboard title, executive command, central subtitle, global search bar. User can search for student application fee invoices. Now here you can see all programs. You can search according to your program. Select BTech program. Now BTech Computer Science and Engineering data are visible on my screen. Search computer science and engineering. Now here you can see computer science and engineering data are visible on my screen. You can search by applying all, today, week, month, year. This is the filter. You can search student application and invoices from here. Students, here you can see Sara Gupta, Sara Saxena, Sara Rao, Sara Verma, Sara Nair. You can click on your specific student to see the data. Here you can see the data of Sara Gupta. As user type, matching reports appear instantly. Clicking a result directly open that records. Filter or that dashboard includes multiple filter. Show data for a selective academic program. Data comes from backend. Department filter showed static for one department. Data comes from backend. Sessional filters record by academic section. Data comes from backend. Semester filter displayed static for a selected semesters. Data filter available options all today. Week, you can see data filter all today, week, month, year. Every KPI and graphs update according to the selective time period. Now you can see I am selecting today. The KPI cards and the graph are updated. Now I am selected week. The KPI cards and the graph are updated. Now you can see this is the reload the dashboard with the latest live data. Refresh button. Now you can see the dashboard is refreshed now. Here you can see quick action. The dashboard provides shortcut buttons to quickly perform important tasks, include opening or creating records for admission, students, fee invoice, program, faculty. This shortcut save time by reducing navigations. Now you can see new admission. Click on this. Uh, you can see form are visible on my screen. Then click on verify document. The verify page dashboard pipeline page are visible on my screen. Then click on student list. Now here the full student list are visible on my screen. All the data of students and new admission, verify, fee structure are available from the backend. Now you can see create invoice. The form is open. Courses, here different type of courses are available. Faculty, different type of faculty are visible on my screen. Now the dashboard display multiple KPI cards grouped into different categories. Admission card show total application, new application today, application this month, offer used, pending verifications. Each card is clickable and open the related records. Now you can see total application. Here is the total application. 31 application are visible on my screen on dashboard. Here you can see new today, 5 new this month, 31. Here you can see the record on clicking on this cards. Pending verification, 10 pending verification are visible, 0 rejected, admitted 0. Here you can see student, 83 students are visible on dashboard. This is the list of the 83 students. On click on 61, 61 students are active. Click on graduate, 0 students are graduated. Click on dropped, 0 students are dropped from the university. Now you can see fee generated, 88 550 fee are generated total. Fee collected 0. Here you can see outstanding 88 550. Here you can see 88 550 data are visible on my screen total. Pending deposit 0. Academic 7 program. On clicking on this 7 program are visible on my screen. You can see 32 courses. 32 courses are visible. 23 active semester. Here you can see 23 active semester are visible on my screen. 7 departments: physics, IT, EC, mechanical, CSC, engineering, BBA. Here the list of the 7 departments. Staff, faculty, 16 faculty. Here the list of the faculty. Admission pipeline stages inquiry 32.3%. Admission application submitted, document verification, offer issue, deposit pay, student enroll. Fee collection 0 collected, generated, collected, outstanding. You can see this by color, 88 550 total. Fee analytic by month, generated versus calculated. Generated are on purple and collected was on green color. Here you can see June 26 to July 26. Now on click on this, you can see generated 88 550, collected 0. Here the data. Admission analytics application by program: BTech Computer Science, BTech Information Technology, BTech Electronics and Communication. Application by Department Information Technology. Here is the graph. Application by status, admission fee, inquiry, document verification, application by gender. You can see green for unassigned male for this purple, and blue for female. Student status: active, graduated, dropped. Active on green, graduated and dropped. Student by program, student by department. Here you can see student by semester, student by gender, program wise admission, program performance. Application 9, admission 0, student 15, revenue 0, conversion 0%. Notification center. Here you can see this data are generated from the backend, and now you can see full data on click on dashboard. Admission pipeline here, recent applications, report center, admission report, student report. Here you can see academic card, total program, total courses, active semester, department, admission pipeline. This pipeline visible the complete admission workflow. It show the number of students at each admission with a conversion per percentage. Fee collection over display a visual summary of fee collection, total fee generated for total fee collected, outstanding amount, collection percentage, fee analyzed. You can see generated versus collected. Management can compare monthly fee generation with actual collection and monitor financial performance over time. Admission entry. The dashboard include multiple charts show which academic programs receive the highest number of applications, pending, accepted, rejected, admitted. Student analytics chart display active student, graduated student, dropped student, compare student strength across different programs, display department wise student distributions. The global search can quickly locate student records, admission applications, fee invoices. Now KPay card is open list view, open form view. Key features: executive dashboard for university management, real time KPI cards, global smart search, program department session, semester filters, data range filtering, interactive the drill down cards, admission pipeline visualization, fee collection overview, monthly fee analytics, admission analytics, one click navigation, quick action shortcut, leave data, refresh, interactive charts and graphs. Benefits of this module: provide a complete university overview from one screen, eliminate the need to open multiple menus and reports, enable faster and more informed decision making, help track admission performance in real time, monitoring student enrollment and academic distribution, improve fee collection tracking and financial visibility, enhance operational efficiency through centralized reporting, support data driven planning with visual analytics with trends. Get a single dashboard for all major university operation, monitor admission, student, academics and finances in real time, reduce manual reporting with automatic KPI and charts, access important records instantly using global search and drill down cards, improve decision making with live analytics and performance insight, increase productivity by managing the entire university from one centralized interface, deliver a modern professional dashboard experience for university administration and management team. Now you can see here is the full data of university dashboard. You can filter according to you. You can search and you can search student application invoices from search bar. Here is a total data from KPI, cards, graph, etc. This is the overall functionality of my module. You can buy this module from Odoo apps. Thank you.